I have a book. Hi. But how to say that I have more than one book? Would you like to learn this together? Are you ready? So, let's start. But first of all, I would like to ask you something. Do you know what's a noun in English language? A noun is a word used to name a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. A noun can be sometimes singular, this means one, or plural, this means more than one. Okay, great. I think you know already what we are going to learn today, right? Yes, we are going to learn about plural of nouns. So, to form the plural of a noun, we add an S at the end of the noun. It's very easy, right? Okay, example. One book, two books. One car, two cars. Okay, fantastic. Another rule says that if a noun ends in S, SS, CH, X, O, Z, we add an ES at the end of the noun. Example, bus, buses. One match, two matches. One dish, two dishes. One box, two boxes. Okay. Another rule says that if a noun ends in F or FE, we remove F or FE and we add an VES at the end of the noun. Example, one leaf, two leaves. One wolf, two wolves. One knife, two knives. Okay, fantastic. Another rule says that if a noun ends in a vowel plus Y, we just add an S at the end of the noun. Example, one day, two days. One key, two keys. But if the noun ends in a consonant plus Y, the Y changes into I plus ES. Example, one city, two cities. One baby, two babies. Okay, we have some irregular nouns. Be attentive. One man, two men. I change just a letter, right? Okay, a woman, two women. One child, two children. One foot, two feet. One mouse, two mice. One person, two people. Okay, great. Another rule says that if a noun ends in a vowel plus O, we add an S at the end. Example, a zoo, two zoos. One radio, two radios. But if a noun ends in a consonant plus O, we add an ES at the end. Example, one tomato, two tomatoes. One potato, two potatoes. And of course, in English language, we have some exceptions. Note we have two exceptions at this rule. Piano, pianos. Photo, photos. Also, we have some nouns that do not have any change. We write them the same, singular or plural form. Example, one sheep, two sheep. One deer, two deer. One fish, two fish. Okay, but I forgot to say you something. When I mentioned the rule about nouns ending in F or FE, I didn't say that we have two exceptions there. Please write them. So, you say cliff, cliffs, roof, roofs. Okay, so my friends, these are the rules about how to form the plural of a noun. I hope you are going to find this video useful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, if I can do it, you can do it too.